Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to link PayPal to Fiverr. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Fiverr and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're gonna find dashboard, my business, growth and marketing, analytics, and here you're gonna find notifications, messages, help and resources, and also your profile picture. So go ahead and click on your profile picture, and here you're gonna find switch to buy-in. If you are in your selling account, here you're gonna find profile, refer a friend, settings, billing and payments. And from here, you can say change your language and also your currency. And lastly, log out from your account. So, for example, if you go to your account, right here, you can change your uh, all of your profile informations like your image, your name, your username. Here, you can add or edit your description. You can add languages, skills, education, and lastly, certification. Here in the top, you're gonna find your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it, and then go ahead and click on billing and payments. So right here, there is four sections: billing history, billing information, available balances, and lastly, payment methods. So right here in billing history, you're gonna find your history. As you can see, guys, in my case, I have no invoices yet. Here in billing information, you can update your informations and you can save the changes right here. Available balances, you're going to find two balances. There is a Fiverr balance and also Fiverr credits. And lastly, right here in payment method, you can add your credits or debit card or your PayPal account. Go ahead and click on add payments method and then select PayPal. And then right here, you're going to find in order to complete your PayPal registration, we will transfer you over to PayPal secure server. Go ahead and click on PayPal and then log into your PayPal account. And then your PayPal will be linked to your Fiverr account. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.